Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic Happy Planner. So this is the actual cover for the planner. So it's one of the, it's a box kit for the teacher planner, but I am Franken planning it for this month of August with the pages from the fitness Rongrong planner. So the layout is, this is not what the layout normally looks like. The layout for this planner normally looks like, where is it now? This, but I decided for the remaining month of August to use this layout. And I'm just so excited. I'm going to use the Squad Goals sticker book. All right, let's get started. So what I do every week with this spread is I white out the dates as well as the days of the week because I start my week on a Friday. So I white out the days, I write in the days, and then use the stickers from the journaling sticker book for the dates. Okay, so now that I've gone in and basically taken out all the dates and things that I don't actually need, I'm going to white out the bottom here. And there we go. I apologize that I can't show you more than what's here on the page just because I am limited on space. So I wanted to use the new Squad Girl sticker book because there's a whole section on just fitness, which I'm super excited about. Like, look at those girls. Woo! And I love this. I'm just trying to think which color scheme, but the whole color scheme is gorgeous. So what I might do, I think I'm gonna go for the mustard color. I love the mustard color, super cute. And this will just be the whole sidebar. Perfect. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there yet, but it'll be cute. Then I don't use this space for any journaling. I use this mostly for decoration, and I like it that way. So let's see. And I just want to make sure that there's nice quotes that I could use too, or that one's really nice. There's lots of big boxes and checks. Okay, I might go ahead and actually take this massive box. Maybe, I'm just not sure if it will actually fit here. It's a bit big, like in terms of height, but I think that will work. And I'm going to put a box here because that's where I put my weigh in. Now, do I have a, this is why I buy two sizes of the same sticker book, because I need more than one box sometimes, or one size box. Okay, might have to use one of these. I feel like the color scheme is slightly different, maybe? I don't know. They do have the mustard, which I like. Okay, this is cute. They are really cute. Which box do I want to go with? Maybe we'll do pink. If I can peel it from the, there we go. I'm just going to put it right in the middle, so why not? And then I'm going to put a "You Got This." And that will be where I put my weigh in. And then in the middle here will be sleep, and then food, and then exercise. So I'm gonna then decorate this part here. I'm gonna use some of the bigger girl stickers if they fit. Ooh. Okay. feel like a sticker like this one is hard to line up, and I don't want to, like, oh, and she covers a bit of the word Thursday. It's okay. Then, put her, oh no. And put her down here. And then, let's see. Do I have any good quotes that I can put into that space? Because I think that's also important, being able to, I think having quotes is just so important, especially when you're lifting yourself up. I'm looking into the Rongrong fitness sticker book and I'm trying to find ones that match. It's definitely a different color scheme. So maybe this one you can and you will, because the color scheme's not too far off. And then I can add in some rainbows. No, that one's not coming off. And then this one. Okay. So now, just looking here, I'm going to move the sticker books off to the side a bit so you guys can see. I like having all of the decoration at the top. Now I want to go in, and sleep and water are going to be there. And I don't use the super big water stickers that are in here just because they take up the whole space and I don't need it to. I still want to keep track of my sleep. What I do want to use from this sticker book though is, where is it? These. What color do I want to go with though? There's the peach. The peach. Do I have others? No. So maybe the pink or the peach, or this green as well. Okay. So let's do peach. Put peach on this side here. Go. And then I'll put this green on this side here. Okay, don't want to use too much more from that sticker book. So that will be for the food log, and I'm just noticing the sticker is crooked. And with the thin, skinny stickers, they are hard to pull up, and they will pull up. That's okay. I'm gonna have to deal with crooked stickers for the week. So, what do I want to add in here? Good vibes, yes girl, breathe, you got this. All these rainbows are super cute. Ah, I like this one, workout plan. I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna maybe combine the two. Yeah, I think combining them will look super cute. Workout plan. And then here for focus, I want to find, maybe I will just white it out and have something else there. Like today. No. Oh, go down. Maybe just a tiny little rainbow. It doesn't have to be crazy, but I'll know that's for sleep and for water. And then I'm actually going to add little today stickers around just for extra decoration. And the scallops, of course. So I'm going to take a pink and a blue and create a little bit of a layer, because I do want to add design elements throughout, and put one here as well. Or mustard. Actually, I feel like I should have put the mustard with the blue. Don't rip, don't rip. Because I do want to add more mustard color on this side of the page. And sometimes, sometimes when you put stickers down, they're not for functional purposes. They're adding a decorative element. Like these scallops, they are adding a decorative element. They're not there for any functional purpose. Actually, I'll flip these ones around like this. Because we have the stickers, we might as well use them. Okay, and then I'll add some more decoration on this side. Obviously, I won't try and take up too much because then I will run out of room to be able to write stuff. So I'm just going to put these girls on the side here and still make sure I do have enough room to write my exercise. Then I want to, let's see, I like the "you got this," but I have a feeling I've already got that in place. So let's do to do, put that down this way. There we go. I like that. I think once I write in it, I'm going to add a bit more. Actually, I'm going to add some smaller rainbows up at the top there, because why not? So, oh, come on. There we go. Those are super cute. Big rainbow. And some of them I'll actually put towards. This one looks like a third eye, rather than a rainbow. Yeah, the decorativeness is really just the, I don't know that, the rainbow, which it's a little strange. It's just these pastel rainbows. Sorry, I cut out there. Okay, what I love about this is that, like, I love the squad girls. I think they're super, super cute. I think the only thing is there isn't really a cohesive color scheme in here, which is why I'm kind of still unsure about this. But I think once I start writing in it, it'll get a lot better. So I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to show you how I'm going to fill in this section, and then I'm going to fill the rest in and show you the finished after tomorrow. And then in this whole section will be my sleep score and the amount of water I'm having every day. And then here, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, which I pre-track, well, not pre-track, I do all of my food tracking in the WW app, but I like pre-planning in my planner so that I can see ahead of time where I can put extra food, like extra treats and stuff, things like that. So tomorrow, because it's my weigh-in day, I am having a croissant for breakfast with jam. Yum. And then I found this kai soy recipe that is only 6 points. If you don't know what kai soy is, I watch a lot of planner YouTubes, and it's one of the ones that I love. It's their favorite dish from Thailand. So I decided to try it. I've never tried cow soy before, so I decided to give it a try, and it's this warm, spicy chicken noodle soup. It's delicious. And then for dinner, we have leftover crack slaw and rice. And then the workout plan for tomorrow, which I also have, I guess, pre-planned out. So tomorrow, I've actually been doing a lot of my activities through the Fit On app on the Fit On portion of the WW app. And they have a mix of, you know, full body, HIIT workout, strength training, yoga, Pilates. So what I'm doing tomorrow is a 31-minute interval mix. So I'm doing 2 actually, and a 10-minute cardio abs. And then I also keep track of my steps and calories burned. So that's what a typical day looks like. So the main things that are filled out ahead of time are food as well as my exercise. What I'm gonna put in here, what I'm gonna start tracking actually is my moods. My moods for each day. So I'm just gonna do this in big letters. Mood. And do a little bit of a mood tracker. And I know most people do it in here, but because I already journal, I just wanted to keep this kind of very general. So I'm gonna do Monday. Oh, see, I can't even do it starting Monday because my days start on Friday already. And I've already explained that oh my God. Let's do that again. The reason that I start this on Friday is because my weigh-in day is Friday, and that's when my week starts in my WW app. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and actually Friday is my daughter's birthday, so we are going to have a few treats this weekend. And then Thursday, we leave for a couple of days for vacation. All right, so So I've shown you what a typical day can look like, but I do like pre-tracking everything for the rest of the week. I like being able to see what my meals are beforehand, and I also like to see what my workouts are beforehand. And this way I am basically tracking and planning for success. Somebody said this in my workshop today where they pre-plan and pre-track because they're basically setting out a map for success. If you know exactly what you're going to do, then you don't even have to think about it, you just do it. So in terms of the meal planning that I do, I normally prepare one lunch for myself that normally has anywhere from 4 to 6 servings, and I have that all week. And then in terms of dinners, I normally plan out 2 or 3 dinners for the week that have anywhere from 6 to 8 servings so that we can have leftovers Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so that I'm not cooking every night of the week. But that is basically how I have been meal planning and how I've been tracking my foods. Things aren't always set in stone here. I can always cross things out, wipe things out. So it's just a little plan for the rest of the week. And then my workouts are from the WW app through the Fit On app in there as well, and they are absolutely fantastic. So this is how I set out my week. Hey guys, so there's the finished spread. I always like my fitness or my wellness spreads much better when they're filled out. I just think it looks, I guess, not necessarily, I mean, obviously it's a lot more functional when it's filled out. It just looks complete is what I feel like. It looks complete. So I've talked to you guys through what each section is for, and I love being able to see it all a week in a glance. So that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.